Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Does your crochet work ever end up too large or too small? I'm going to show you tips and tricks for getting the correct size. In theory, if you use this yarn and this hook, you should get this size perfectly. That's not always the case because of something called gauge. Gauge is the measurement of stitches and rows, usually in the space of 4 inches or 10 centimeters. Most patterns for hats and sweaters and blankets have a gauge listed. Ideally, you'll want to make a small sample called a swatch. Then use a ruler to find 4 inches or 10 centimeters. Place the ruler on the swatch and count. In this particular case, I'm getting 15 single crochet stitches in 4 inches. And I'm getting 16 rows of single crochet stitches in 4 inches. This measurement matches the written pattern's gauge, so the size should come out as written. If yours doesn't match the measurements, tension is oftentimes a factor. We all crochet differently, sometimes loosely and sometimes tightly. This tension affects both the width and height of each stitch. Take a look at these swatches. Each was made with the same yarn and each has 15 single crochet stitches per row. But I use different hooks for each sample. The larger hook makes larger stitches and rows, and the smaller hook makes smaller stitches and rows. Now in this case, each swatch is 4 inches in width. However, I only can fit 11 stitches with the larger hook and 15 with the smaller one. You can adjust your hook size to affect the final size. Sometimes adjusting the hook doesn't help much, so you might need to try out a different yarn. You might need to go down a size to a DK weight yarn to achieve the proper gauge. Let's take this flower. You wish it could be a little smaller, and you don't want to have to alter the pattern. So you can use a smaller hook and a thinner yarn to get a smaller flower. If you want a much larger flower, use a larger bulky weight yarn and a larger hook. You can see in this example how both the hook size and the thickness or thinness of a yarn affects the final crochet size. So in conclusion, always find the pattern's gauge and start off with the recommended hook and yarn. Then measure your stitches before you get too far along in the pattern. If it's not the right measurement, rip it out and try again using a larger hook or try a smaller hook. Sometimes you might need to adjust your tension, hold the yarn looser or perhaps tighter. And finally, try a different yarn. Sometimes a softer yarn or a different thickness might help. And these are my tips and tricks to getting a proper fit with crochet.
Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.